Okay, so this is how GDP per capita works, especially during a pandemic. Okay, pre-pandemic, you have 4 people and you have 32 bushels of wheat. And the wheat is machine-based, meaning it's produced by a combine. So when you divide the GDP, which is the wheat, by the population, GDP per capita, you then have 8 bushels of wheat per person. However, the pandemic hits and you lose 1 person. And because the pandemic hit, you also lose the ability to produce as much wheat. But you only lose 1 bushel of wheat because you're still able to produce a lot of wheat, albeit not as much. So your GDP went down, but now you get to redistribute that wheat amongst the population. Remember, this is not how much is consumed by the population or how much the population actually produces, but this is how much is produced on, say, in that nation. So now your GDP per capita is there's 3 people and 31 bushels of wheat, meaning each person has a little over 10 bushels of wheat. So your GDP per capita is now a little bit over 10. So your GDP per capita rose from 8 to 10, even though your GDP decreased from 32 to 31.